All right, we're here with Jamaican international vice captain Damian Lowe. First of all, talk to us about today's performance.
By the team or personally?
Both.
Coming the guys still, we dig deep. We went down too early, but we stuck to our beliefs and we're a good team, quality players. Still a work in progress with the, getting the system right and everything. But yeah, for me personally, I'm not happy with my performance. I mean, if I look at the overall playing, I can say, yeah, it was an average game for me, but made a mistake. It cost us. But to be honest, it happens. It happens in this football. You're not going to be perfect every game. Can't kill myself. I just have to get better, But yeah, I mean, I have to be hard on myself, but I can't really be hard. Yeah, I'm pretty upset with myself, to be honest. But again, the team really dug deep, and we were able to get a result on the road from a good Haitian team.
All right. So as you just mentioned, one of your poor performance, and in my opinion, they're far and few between. But
yeah,
as you said, you have them. How do you recover from making a bad mistake today that almost cost us 3 points?
I mean, you just have to go back to the drawing board. Just get sharp again. Keep your confidence up. Obviously, the fans are going to be upset, but they also drive confidence into a player. You see me? So, can't really think too much into it. You just have to go back into training. Get better. Work on stuff that you could have done better in the game. Watch over back your clips. Talk to loved ones. Get motivation from a lot of things. But again, I'm not going to beat up myself too much. Just have to get better every time I go out there.
Speak to us about the substitution later on in the game. You're not one that's often substituted. What happened there?
I'm just recovering from a personal injury issue. Did a small operation. I don't really want to talk about that. And I'm carrying a little calf strain, so I couldn't continue. And I'm just recovering. So again, I'm not the sharpest. This is like my second game in like maybe a month. I played for Philly. No, 3 games. Played for Philly, and then I played last couple of days ago, and then I played here. So if you pay attention to the Philly games, I didn't play in like 3 or 4 games because I had some personal stuff that I had to take care of, health-wise. So just getting back to the drawing board. I'm getting back to full fitness, and I'm getting back to sharpness. Again, I can't beat up myself because I know when I'm at my top, I'm playing well, and I always try to give my all, even when I'm not playing well. So yeah, that's why the substitution was made.
All right, the past is the past. Grenada and Haiti, right? Obviously, you have a few games in between trying to make an MLS Cup run.
Yeah.
But Grenada and Haiti, in about 4 weeks' time, what are some adjustments that you think the national team needs to make in order to be ready for Haiti again and then a week of Grenada?
To be honest, we've also been nursing a lot of injuries. A lot of guys haven't been playing 90 at their best. Some guys are on 75%. Some guys carrying knocks. You can see Dimi, he had to be pulled out. He was, limping all the second half. Chiga carrying injuries. A lot of guys carrying injuries, but I think we're doing good. We're building. We're building. The team that we have is really good now. Obviously, again, results. It's football. Results aren't going to go away. Results are going to go away sometimes, but we have to continue to build and train hard and believe in ourselves, and we'll be good.
All right, and lastly, speak to us about Margaret. You just mentioned him. Talk to us about the impact that he's made to the national football program and Jamaica on a whole since his arrival.
Yeah, I love it. I'm happy that he's here. I'm happy that he was able to come and just make an instant impact. International football is not easy, especially in CONCACAF. It takes a while to get settled and get used to the gameplay. But again, with better playing surface and with better conditions for us, we're going to be even real better, or even be more good than what we are. Dimi, he's a big player. He's been doing well, for us from the Gold Cup coming in, and we just have to continue to let him feel appreciated. The fans just have to, continue to push him and drive confidence in him, and he'll just transfer that to the team.
All right, Nana. Good luck on the upcoming games with Philly, and we can't wait to have you back in October.
Thank you. Appreciate it.